Hello and welcome to New in Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the definition of marker-based augmented reality, which is a popular technique for creating immersive AR experiences. Marker-based augmented reality is a type of AR that uses a physical marker or image as a trigger to overlay virtual objects onto the real world. These markers are usually printed images that are recognized by an AR system, which then uses the marker to anchor virtual content onto the real world. The virtual content can be anything from 3D models, animations, or text overlays, and can be seen through a device such as a smartphone or tablet that has an AR app installed. When the device's camera detects the marker in the real world, it triggers the AR app to overlay the virtual content onto the marker, creating an augmented reality experience. Marker-based AR is popular because it allows for precise tracking and positioning of virtual objects in the real world. This is because the markers provide a fixed reference point that the AR system can use to accurately position and orient virtual objects. This makes marker-based AR a great choice for creating interactive educational experiences, marketing campaigns, or gaming experiences. To create marker-based AR experiences, you'll need an AR development toolkit, such as the Unity game engine with the Vuforia AR SDK. You'll also need to create a marker or image that will trigger the AR experience. This can be done by creating a custom marker using an online marker generator, or by designing a custom image that can be recognized by the AR system. Marker-based AR is just one type of AR experience that you can create using AR technology. There are many other types of AR experiences that you can create, such as location-based AR or face-tracking AR. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the definition of marker-based augmented reality. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest developments in technology.